today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite additional attendees in a Microsoft Outlook meeting. Maybe you already scheduled a meeting and realized someone else needs to join. Here's how to add them quickly using Outlook on the web. Start by opening your web browser and going to Microsoft.com. At the top, select All Microsoft, then choose Outlook from the list of apps. If you aren't signed in yet, click Sign In and enter your work or school account so Outlook can load your mailbox and calendar. Once Outlook loads, head to Calendar. This view shows all of your scheduled meetings. Locate the meeting you want to update. Double-click it to open the details. Keep in mind you need to be the organizer or have permission to edit the meeting. Otherwise, the editing options won't be available. In the event window, click Edit. This switches the meeting into an editable form so you can change attendees. Outlook labels can vary slightly, but you're looking for the text field that says Invite Attendees, sometimes shown as Add Attendees or Required Attendees. It's usually near the meeting title, time, and location. Click into that field and begin typing the email address of the person you want to invite. As you type, Outlook usually suggests contacts. Choose the correct one or type the full address. You can add more than one person by entering additional addresses, and Outlook will add them to the attendee list. Before you send, it can help to glance over the attendee list to confirm everyone who should be there is included and that the date, time, and location look correct. Depending on your organization's settings, Outlook may ask whether to send updates to everyone or only to added attendees. Choosing only added attendees keeps inboxes tidy while still notifying the right people. As soon as you add at least one new address, you'll notice the Save button changes to Send. That's because Outlook needs to send an updated invitation. When you're comfortable with your changes, click Send to notify the new attendee and update existing participants. The new guest will receive a meeting invite they can accept, tentatively accept, or decline. If your meeting includes an online location, like a Teams link, the join information is included automatically in the invitation. If you don't see the Invite Attendees field or can't edit, you may not be the organizer for that meeting. That's it, quick and straightforward. You went to Microsoft.com, opened Outlook, signed in, switched to Calendar, opened your meeting, clicked Edit, added the address in Invite Attendees, and pressed Send. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.